This is Burkina Faso. Beautiful Burkina Faso. I'm going to give you a tour of this humble African abode, still under construction. This area is called Ouagadougou, Ouaga 2000. Ouagadougou is one of the elite suburbs of Ouagadougou, the capital of Burkina Faso. Just look at this beautiful earthy wall. These bricks were individually hand-carved from the ground, giving its unique appearance and texture. I love it. I like the texture, the color, and the beauty. This is what we call living. Sustainable lifestyle. Planning your own food. Knowing what enters your plate or in your bowl comes from. That's a very healthy looking avocado. Organic. Slowly grown. No nasty chemicals, nothing. This is a pawpaw. Some call it papaya. Kitchen.
This is very, very, very beautiful.
Beautiful. This is beautiful.
Wisdom.
Monsieur Dambélé. Magnificent. Oh, I'm so much into this house. So here's where lights will hang, or maybe a ceiling fan, I don't know. Beautiful. The echo. Yeah. It's like you're in a music studio. Boom. What a dream home. Wow. I'm about to go down the stairs. Just have a look at it. Simplicity. This is a luxurious home, yet down to earth, comfortable, spacious, and majestic. I'm loving every experience of my visit to Burkina Faso. Boisson Mask, an internationally renowned artifact from this land. Thanks for your time, and I will see you in my next episode.